likes it. You don't get more. Did you swallow it all? Are you ready? Want some more? Here you go. Here you go. He's pulling my... I want to gag him with the spoon. Yeah. It's good stuff. Hold on. It's not in your fingers. He's so excited. You're such a big boy. Yes, you are. You're such a big boy. I'm not giving it to him fast enough. Okay. You go. Go. Open. Maybe I'll put this down. You go, big guy. Open. Oh, yes. Good stuff. You're such a good boy.
Yeah, hurry up.
Hurry, Mommy. Hurry, Mommy.
Look like he just almost waved at me.
Okay. Oh, I'm so happy he's got the hang of it. Good boy. There you go. I wonder how long he'll go without his bottle now that he's eating it. Look at you. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Get your fingers out of there. That's not what's good. That's not what's good. Here you go. It's over here. Hey, big guy. Ready? Yay, you finally figured it out. Okay, I'll just stop recording. Yummy. He goes, is that good? Do you love it? Yes, you love it. Do you love it? Yes, you do. Uh-oh.
Oh, someone's about to get splattered.
I know. You're so sweet. You're eating a lot, big guy. Yes, you are. You're eating a lot. I can't believe he's eating it. Is it good? Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
I think he's camera shy.
Hold on. Whoa. That was a messy one. Whoa. You almost got me there. He's like, doesn't want to wait for it.
Put the bowl up to his mouth.
Yeah. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy, Brady. Yeah. Okay.